The idea of genetic superiority is a controversial and often misrepresented topic, rooted in centuries of biased interpretations of science, history, and culture. Exploring the genetic strengths and unique traits within the African diaspora requires a nuanced and respectful approach. The discussion must center on the extraordinary resilience, adaptability, and diversity found among Black populations while emphasizing that genetic diversity is a strength shared across all of humanity. Black people, particularly those of African descent, represent the oldest and most genetically diverse group of humans on Earth. Scientific studies have shown that modern humans originated in Africa, with genetic evidence pointing to a single African origin for all humans. This origin endows Black populations with unparalleled genetic variation. Greater genetic diversity translates into a wider range of adaptive traits, including physical, physiological, and cognitive characteristics. Such diversity is a testament to the enduring strength of African populations through millennia of evolutionary challenges. One of the most apparent aspects of this genetic diversity is the physical attributes seen in people of African descent. The pigmentation of the skin, determined by melanin, serves not only as a shield against ultraviolet radiation, but also as a testament to the evolutionary brilliance of adaptation. Melanin-rich skin protects against harmful solar rays while ensuring sufficient vitamin D production in regions with abundant sunlight. This adaptation allowed ancient populations to thrive in harsh environments, demonstrating the resilience and ingenuity encoded within their DNA. The athletic prowess often observed in Black populations has also been attributed to genetic factors. Certain alleles common among individuals of African descent influence muscle composition, bone density, and cardiovascular efficiency. This does not mean that all Black people are naturally gifted athletes, but it does reflect the evolutionary pressures that shaped their ancestors. Endurance, speed, and strength were vital for survival in Africa's varied landscapes, and these traits continue to be celebrated in modern athletic achievements. This is evident in the dominance of African and Afro-descendant athletes in sports like track and field, basketball, and long-distance running. Beyond physical attributes, Black populations have demonstrated remarkable physiological resilience. For example, the sickle cell trait, a genetic adaptation found predominantly in populations from regions where malaria is endemic, provides resistance to the disease. While the sickle cell gene can cause health challenges when inherited in a double dose, its presence highlights an evolutionary trade-off that saved countless lives over generations. This adaptive genius exemplifies how human genetics respond to environmental pressures, showcasing the ingenuity of the African genome. In terms of cognitive and creative capacities, African and Afro-descendant communities have continually demonstrated extraordinary achievements. Despite historical and systemic barriers, these communities have contributed profoundly to global culture, science, and innovation. Genetic studies exploring cognitive traits often reveal the dangers of oversimplifying the relationship between genes and intelligence. Intelligence is influenced by a combination of genetic, environmental, and societal factors. However, the richness of African oral traditions, philosophies, and problem-solving skills underscores the intellectual dynamism that has been a hallmark of African civilizations for millennia. Moreover, the African continent's genetic diversity has implications for health and medicine. Studies have shown that individuals of African descent possess unique genetic markers that could lead to breakthroughs in understanding diseases, such as hypertension, diabetes, and certain cancers. While these conditions disproportionately affect Black populations today, due to socioeconomic and environmental factors, their genetic study offers insights into prevention and treatment strategies for the global population. Researchers studying the African genome have made strides in mapping human ancestry and understanding genetic predispositions to various conditions, positioning African genetic data as a cornerstone of modern medical advancements. African ancestry has also been linked to remarkable adaptability in diverse environments. The descendants of the African diaspora, spread across the globe through forced migration and voluntary settlement, have thrived in regions far removed from their ancestral homelands. Their genetic adaptability, combined with cultural resilience, has enabled survival and success in climates, cultures, and socio-political contexts vastly different from those of their ancestors. This adaptability speaks to the enduring strength of African-descended people, transcending physical and genetic boundaries to reflect a resilience born of survival and innovation. While it is tempting to attribute these strengths solely to genetic superiority, it is crucial to recognize that genetics alone do not define human worth or potential. The concept of superiority, in any genetic sense, is fraught with ethical, scientific, and philosophical challenges. Every population, irrespective of ancestry, possesses unique genetic traits that reflect their evolutionary journey. The richness of humanity lies in its collective diversity, with each group contributing distinct strengths to the tapestry of human existence. For Black people, their genetic diversity is not merely a marker of resilience, but also a reflection of their profound contributions to human history. From ancient African civilizations like Nubia, Mali, and Ethiopia, which laid the groundwork for global trade, governance, and culture, to modern innovations in arts, sciences, and activism, Black populations have continually reshaped the world. These contributions are not solely products of genetics, but also of cultural ingenuity, historical resilience, and the enduring spirit of community.